Hello, in today's lesson, get ready to dive into the wacky world of credit reports. It's like a financial roller coaster with twists and turns. Just as you eagerly await your report card grades, adults eagerly await their credit reports to see how well they're managing their money. Picture your personal information section as your ID card, but with a dash of flair. Because who doesn't want to know about your neighbor's dog's name, right? Then we have credit accounts, which are basically the subjects you're studying in school, but instead of acing math, you're acing payments on that new gaming console you bought last month. These are accounts you have with companies that lend you money or provide you services like credit cards. Payment history. It's like your grades on your report card, except instead of worrying about an F in history, you're sweating over whether you remembered to pay the pizza delivery guy on time. And let's not forget about credit inquiries. Basically, it's the lender's way of giving you a pop quiz on your financial responsibility every time you apply for something. This shows when someone, like a bank or company, has looked at your credit report. Collections. If you owe money to a company and you haven't paid it, they might send your debt to a collection agency. This part shows you if you have any debts in collections. Public records. Think of them as those embarrassing moments you hope no one remembers, like that time you tripped in the cafeteria, except it's bankruptcy or court judgments that haunt your financial reputation. Lastly, the credit score. Imagine as your financial GPA, because apparently adults never really graduate from being graded. It's usually a number between 300 and 850. The higher your score, the better. Lenders use this score to decide whether they give you a loan or a credit card. Following is a simple example of a credit report. Remember, even though credit reports might seem boring, keeping them in good shape is like having a superpower when you're all grown up and ready to buy your own spaceship. Oh, or maybe just a car. So buckle up, because understanding these credit report shenanigans will have you navigating the financial world like a boss in no time. Have a great day. OUT spells.